The French Revolution, a turning point in world history. It was a time of rebellion, hope, and radical change that would reshape not only France, but the entire world. It all began in 1789. France was in chaos, facing widespread poverty, high taxes, and political corruption. On July 14th, the people of Paris had enough. They stormed the Bastille, a medieval fortress used as a prison, symbolizing the monarchy's oppression. Following the Bastille, revolution spread across France. The National Assembly was formed, declaring an end to the absolute power of King Louis XVI. Soon, the monarchy itself would crumble, and the king would face the guillotine. One of the key figures of the revolution was Napoleon Robespierre, a leader of the radical Jacobins. He believed in creating a republic of virtue, where liberty, equality, and fraternity would be the foundation of the new French Republic. But the revolution turned violent. The Reign of Terror, led by Robespierre, saw thousands executed by guillotine, including King Louis XVI and Queen Marie Antoinette. Anyone seen as an enemy of the revolution was at risk. Amidst the chaos, a young general named Napoleon Bonaparte began to rise to power. Known for his military genius, Napoleon quickly became a hero. In 1799, he seized control of France in a coup d'état, ending the revolution and declaring himself first consul. By 1804, Napoleon crowned himself Emperor of France. He brought stability after years of revolution, introduced the Napoleonic Code, and expanded the French Empire across Europe. The French Revolution brought forth new ideas of democracy, equality, and the power of the people. Though it was marred by violence and upheaval, it forever changed France and the world. From the storming of the Bastille to the rise of Napoleon, the French Revolution was a complex period of history that still resonates today. Its legacy of liberty, equality, and fraternity continues to inspire movements for freedom around the world. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more 3-minute history videos on our channel.